oil for frying, around 10 fresh chicken wings, all-purpose flour 2 to 3 tablespoons, butter 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of any hot sauce or chili sauce you have, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and herb seasoning. It has all the seasons like garlic, onion, chives and so on. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano. For the chicken preparation, heat oil for frying in a large skillet. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken wings with some salt, pepper and all-purpose flour and keep aside for around 10 minutes. Now once you see that the oil is ready, drop the wings pieces into the hot oil one by one and fry them until they are golden brown in color or around for 8 to 10 minutes or until they are crisp on outside. Now when you can see it is cooked through and has got light brown color outside, transfer the wings on a paper towel to remove the excess oil and keep aside. Now it's the time to prepare the sauce for the wings. First melt the butter in a saucepan and add brown sugar on a medium-high heat. Toss nicely the butter and the brown sugar so that the sugar is nicely caramelized. And now add tomato sauce and hot sauce into the mixture and stir well again nicely with the help of the spatula for 2 minutes. Now it's the time to add all the dry ingredients like garlic powder, black pepper powder, chili powder, salt, oregano and mix well. At this point of time, if you want, you can also add a dash of beer for your taste. Now stir over low-medium heat until all the things are nicely combined with each other. Now you can see our nice thick and spicy sauce is ready. Now it's the time to toss the fried chicken wings into it. Now gently mix all the chicken wings into the sauce so that all the wings are nicely coated with the sauce. And once they are ready, just serve hot with the ketchup of your choice or sour cream.
We have some chicken here. We have about 8 large pieces of chicken, which should be about 1.5 kgs. Then we have flour, 1.5 cups, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Then we have oil for frying. For seasoning the flour, we again have half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. First we are going to marinate the chicken. We are going to start by using buttermilk and we are going to use a plastic in which I am going to put the buttermilk. And now I am going to season it with paprika powder, cayenne pepper, white pepper powder and salt. Give it a nice shake. And to this I am going to add the chicken pieces. Now leave a little air in it and close the bag and just mix it well like this. And now I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. Now I'm going to season my flour with garlic powder, white pepper powder, cayenne pepper and some salt. Mix it well. Now that the chicken has got marinated, I've heated oil in a pan on medium-low heat. So now what I'm going to do is take out each piece and dip it into refined flour. Coat it well and keep them aside. Same thing with the next one. Now I'm going to deep fry these chicken pieces. Be very careful when you're putting it into the fryer. I'm going to increase the temperature a little bit because after I've added the chicken, the temperature goes down a bit. Fry them till they are golden brown. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that these are done, I'm going to drain them on a kitchen towel. We have refined flour, vinegar, ginger and garlic finely chopped, soya sauce, sesame oil, eggs, red chili sauce, white pepper, onions diced, into small cubes, capsicum or bell peppers, green chilies, spring onions, ajinomoto, sugar, salt, water and oil. Now to this chicken, I am going to add some pepper powder, white pepper powder, corn flour, some salt to taste, soy sauce and little oil. Mix this well. Now we are heating the oil, and now that the oil is hot, we are going to fry the chicken. Be careful not to over fry this. Okay, now that this chicken is done, and I am going to remove it. Now we will make the chili chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil in a wok. Once it's hot, add chopped ginger and garlic to this. If you like ginger and garlic, add a little bit more. Add green chilies, sliced green chilies, slit. Ensure that the wok is very hot. Once this is done, we are going to add our diced onions as well as the diced bell peppers. Saute for a while. To this I am going to add some soya sauce and some chili sauce to it. In India we add chili sauce to this, and I personally love it. Once this all comes to a mix, we are going to add chicken that we had fried earlier. To this I am going to add some salt, very little, sugar and a pinch of ajinomoto. Stir well. Immediately after this, add water to it. At this stage, you can also add the vinegar to it. Just toss it like this. Stir for a few minutes. Take some corn flour and add a little water to it and mix it. We are going to use this as a thickening agent which is going to thicken our sauce. We are going to be very careful when you use it, otherwise it will become too thick. Use 1 spoon at a time. Now the sauce is thick and nice. Put it on slow flame and let it absorb all the flavors. Last we are going to add spring onions. These taste really nice when they are crisp. Now the chili chicken is ready to plate.